Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company once again. In your mind, if you are searching any of the textile company which give you a maximum or minimum to minimum some unique reasonable prices at the manufacturing rate, these kind of concepts you will be get in this one and only Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this particular video I'm going to showcasing you some unique concepts in the fancy Banarasi sections. All the 20 to 25 different sections on apartments and departments of many of the ladies wear you will get at under one roof, which you name it Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video many of the particular taste I'm going to preferences in which going to be mixed, either it will be the southern India or the northern India or eastern India or western India. All different kind of taste you will be get at under one roof. So guys, be ready and watch the video from start to till the end. Many of the factory with the reasonable rates you will be get in this video with beautiful all the necessary sarees. And guys, please watch the video. Many of your beneficial information are waiting at the end of this video. So watch the video at the end till the end. Don't skip it. First of all, in my hand these kind of very beautiful concepts of sarees, very beautiful work in the copper zari, with the beautiful some birds like parrot designs with the multicolor threading work. Apart from that, concentrating on the body of the saree, these kind of very beautiful box kind of checks patterns you will be get, and the range and the both side of the border you will be get these kind of copper zari work. And talking about the ranges you will be get in these kind of sarees, starting range of the silk sarees will be 140, 170. These kind of ranges you will be get at our company. And as comparison or contrasting design with blouse also you will be getting in here only. Next one, in these kind of concepts, see these kind of very beautiful pallu with the golden zaried work, and these kind of very beautiful threading tassels are having good work on these kind of concepts. Talking about the fabric, if in your mind the question will be raised that in the video saree is gonna be looking like very shiny and very very colorful. It's not. Yes, when you try to washable at the 1 or 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, color will be degraded, but not that kind of degradation. Fabric will be one of the topmost fabric in the textile industry we use in our company. Yeah, let me remind you guys, in 1977 our company will manufacture only the fabric part, but previously from the last 5 to 10 years we manufactured the complete range of sarees also and kurtis also and many more. You have to subscribe our channel to get all the information about our products. Next one, in this kind of variety in the copper zaried work, beautiful peacock designs also you will be get, and these kind of very threading tassels you will be get in this kind of concept. See, in this kind of sarees, all the sarees you will be get at the 6.30 meter length approx with the 6 to 7 different colors. Guys, in your mind the question will be raised that I'm gonna not mentioning particular sarees price because the price range will be fixed, so no need to worry. Suppose let me give you some example. Like these kind of, every video I'm going to repeat this because many of the new viewers have their questions on their mind, that these kind of simple and fixed ranges are attached with from the top of the system. So either you will be the reseller, either you will be the wholesaler, or either a lady which want to start the new business within a house, then also the price will be same. So no need to take worry about the price range of the product. Next one, in this kind of variety also will manufacture. See, these kind of some beautiful silk fabric on this kind of very beautiful threading tassels, and you may notice some beautiful designs also which give you attractive look on either the sarees also. See, these kind of very beautiful occasional like sarees we will have the length of fully 6.30 meter length also. And apart from these kind of concepts, see, pallu designs are also many of the contrasting designs. And the next one, in these kind of, I'm not going to opening this because once it's going to be open, then the finishing will be disturbed. These kind of some precious sarees I'm not able to open fully, so just I'm going to looking in this kind of variety only the copper zaried work with the beautiful threading tassels. Ranges of these sarees I'm going to just giving the idea that 300, 400, 700, that kind of concepts also we are manufactured here only. We are having 2 different sections in the silk pattern, so no need to worry guys. Any of the product you like, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. If you are able to come, then most welcome. You have to just call the screen available number. We will provide you pickup and drop facility also. Either you will be at airport or either you will be at railway station. So guys, if you're not able to come, then we have send some pictures in the form of PDF with particular range also. Apart from that, we provide you video call facility also. On that video call facility, whatever the product you will be selected, the same product will be delivered. So no need to worry guys. And let me assure you that either you from abroad, from any of the countries like Germany, Berlin, Mauritius or Australia, or many of the customers are there. 1,500 customers there are customers are there in abroad. They are contact from us. So no need to worry guys. Product delivered will be at your doorstep. We will provide you worldwide shipping also. Any of your queries will be left, then please know me in our comment sections. Please give your precious reviews, opinions or feedbacks in the comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।